Hello YouTube, thanks for tuning in to Be Kitchen Savvy. I'm Claudia and today we're going to learn how to make chicken karahi with yogurt. As you can see, I've included a list of ingredients that you'll need for the dish. I've also included the cleansed and peeled chicken, which is organic, for your convenience. You'll also see that I've included the chicken marinating in the yogurt. Let's turn on the fire. When heating the wok, I always keep the burner turned to medium-high heat. Add in your oil after 5 minutes, then allow another 3 minutes or so for the oil to heat up. You should never add any food sort to sitting unheated oil. You can always do an oil test with a tiny amount of whatever you're planning to cook. If it sizzles, then it's ready. The oil is hot and we're ready to add in our chicken. Mix and stir the chicken and sauce until it has settled and the sizzle has faded. Now you'll want to turn your burner halfway higher up from the middle and bring the sauce to a boil. While the chicken begins to boil, make sure to continue to stir the chicken just as you see me doing in the video. You will also see me stirring the sauce on the side to continue breaking down the yogurt. I recommend to leave the wok open since we're doing a medium stir fry with the chicken. Keep turning the chicken to their opposite sides to prevent it sticking to the pan along with the sauce. After 10 minutes or so, if your sauce is starting to look like mine, then you're on the right track. There should still be a water-like flow of the sauce gradually thickening. Our sauce is partially ready and we can now proceed to add in the garlic paste. You'll want to move the chicken out of the way as you'll see me doing in the video. Mix the paste into the sauce really well so that it equally cooks and spreads through. Now we're ready to add in the garlic and ginger. We want to do this the same way that we previously did with the ginger paste, so that we make sure it also cooks and equally spreads through. Continue to stir and mix well. Does your sauce look like mine? I hope so because it's ready. We can now add the last ingredients to our dish, the tomatoes and cilantro. Continue to mix and stir. Now you'll want to turn your burner halfway higher up from the middle and bring the stew back to a boil. I want to conceal the heat within the wok in order to cook down the stew and boil out any excess liquid. You'll want to cover your pan with the appropriate lid and leave it to boil, just as you see me doing in the video. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and stir the karahi. Then return the lid and let it continue to boil. You can now turn the burner back down and boil on medium-high heat. After 5 minutes more, remove the lid and stir. You can see that the karahi is starting to thicken up. It's almost there. Return the lid and let it continue to boil. After another 5 minutes, you should see that your karahi is sticking to the pan just enough to scrape back up. Be careful not to let it burn. The sauce is a very important part of our dish. Side note, your karahi should be light and turning dark in color from when you started, as you see in the video. This will be a sure sign that your karahi is going in the right direction. The karahi is now where we want it to be, and we can turn the burner down to medium-low and let it simmer. Continue to mix and stir. Congratulations, Ya Mubarako! You've made wonderful tasting chicken karahi, which can be served with naan and or rice. So what'd you think? Let me know in your comments below. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell below the video to stay tuned for weekly updates on more DIY, step-by-step, delicious tasting food. Don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. See you in the next video!